Our 11 Investigates team learned on Friday the 6th District Court of Appeals has ordered a new trial for the man convicted in a triple murder here in Toledo. This weekend, WTOL spoke with Stoney Thompson's attorney to find out why the court issued their ruling. In 2006, 3 men were brutally murdered in Toledo's South End: Kenneth Nicholson, Todd Archambeau, and Michael York. And this case haunts memories because of the gory scene.
I heard it was a pretty nasty scene, and if there's somebody that can go in there and do some things like that, and that's just kind of wild.
Thompson and his brother Goldy were arrested on triple murder charges. After Thompson's conviction, 3 counts of complicity to commit murder, Goldy was acquitted. Both had the same charges and prosecutor arguments. The only difference? Thompson's defense team wasn't given all the evidence, leading the 6th District Court of Appeals to overturn Thompson's conviction on Friday. Now, prosecutors have 45 days to decide. They can either retry the case, appealing to the Ohio Supreme Court, or let Thompson walk, a free man. This case was the late UT professor Debbie Rump's passion project. Thompson's attorney, Michael Stahl, was with Rump, his former professor, back in 2017 when they first saw the withheld evidence.
We weren't anticipating seeing what we did see, which was a couple boxes with copious documentation as well as some videos, which became very important.
Prosecutors placed Thompson at the crime scene. Investigators found a footprint of a specific type of Nike shoe at the scene, and prosecutors said the footprint was Thompson's because a witness had said he owned a pair of the shoes. But investigators never found the brand from Thompson for comparison. Thompson's attorney argued if he had gotten every box of evidence, including the footprint picture, he could have shown it was too big to be his client's. The appeals court ruled Lucas County prosecutors withheld a key piece of evidence from Thompson's legal team. Additionally, Stahl says one of the prosecutor's star witnesses said Thompson had a gun with him the night of the murders, but a previously recorded conversation with police revealed they said something completely different.
I pretty much knew because he had been asking around trying to buy a gun. At that point, when I left that night, he didn't have one. He had a fake BB gun sitting on the dresser.
The recorded conversation is another piece of evidence the appeals court ruled the Lucas County prosecutors withheld.
A lot of people put a huge amount of faith in the jury system and so forth, and I think they got shaken a little bit by DNA exonerations. But Ohio has 50,000 people in prison, and if even 1% of those are wrongfully convicted, that's still a lot of people.
And 11 Investigates also sat down with Thompson's sister exclusively, and we asked what has life been like for her and the family for all of these years.
The last 15 years has been dark, long, and lonely. Our family has suffered tremendously. My brother is still suffering. I thank God for this day. Unfortunately, my mother's not here to see it because she passed during the trial. So that was another tragedy for us. I'm hoping today things change for my brother, Stoney Thompson.
Thompson's attorney says that this ruling does not order his release or even exonerate him. It simply says Thompson should be given another trial. We have reached out to the Lucas County Prosecutor's Office for comment, but so far, they have not gotten back to us.